Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to send a picture with text on X Twitter using your Android device. Adding visual content to your tweets can make them more engaging and captivating. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the X app on your Android device to access the platform where you can compose your tweet. Next, locate and tap on the chat icon positioned at the bottom right corner of the screen to initiate a new message. Now navigate to the chat where you wish to share the picture with text in your tweet. Choose to either take a new photo using your device's camera or select an existing photo from your gallery to accompany your tweet. After selecting or taking the photo, proceed to type the text you want to include in your tweet, providing context or additional information. Once you have finished composing your tweet with the picture and text, tap on the send arrow icon located at the bottom right corner to post your tweet to your followers. Congratulations! You have successfully sent a tweet with a picture and text on X Twitter, enriching your tweets with visual content that can enhance engagement and communication. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to send a picture with text on X Twitter. Remember to leverage visuals to make your tweets more impactful and memorable. Stay creative and connected in your social media interactions, and keep sharing your stories with the world.